Yo. P64 crypto assets. Yeah, man. The best cryptos to keep right now for a long time is Zcash and Vara protocol, VARA, Vara. Zcash and Vara. Bitcoin to Zcash is happening, and Vara is just, I believe it's around under $12 million. $12 million. So it's a very small cap. So, but there's a high reward. The tech is just crazy, man. They have a tech that is superior than Suez. I'm not talking about Solana because, Solana always go down sometimes. Suez actually go down sometimes. But this one is called Vara. Right now, the market cap is, like I said, under 12 million. The advantage of that is you can put small amount of money. Even the market cap goes to $1 billion, you might become a millionaire, depending on how much you put in there. Okay? And Vara have a technology that is just futuristic. The reason I say that is one thing about their technology is they have a new cloud platform, I will say. It's an entire cloud platform that is just entirely new, and they create an architecture there that is just versatile and that is just flexible, in a sense that you can build anything in there. And after building it, because of the architecture and the space, you can, it can communicate with Polkadot or Kusama and all the other chains that are parachains, which is very important, meaning, you don't need those bridges that are not safe to transact with other blockchains, okay? But the unique thing about Vara architecture is the technology, okay? Their technology is Actors oriented. Actors. They use Actors model instead of the object oriented model that Sui use. Okay? And the reason the Actors model is more superior than the object model is the Actors model, you have complete control and you can make the machine also be an actor. Everybody is an actor in the Actors model. In Sui, the object, you can move the object from here to here, from one place to another. But the actor model is meaning there is more, you can do more with that, because the actor itself can update itself in different state. The more you do something, the better you can become on it. Because you are acting. It's the final game of this technology, I will say, the crypto technology, because they already created that architecture, the platform for that to happen. And plus, they make the development very easy because they create the tools. All you need to do is, if you have an idea of creating something, like let's say you want to create something like QuickBook, a good accounting software, okay? A robust one that is decentralized and data is stored on chain, meaning it's easily accessible. That's how their blockchain is. You don't need to query data from places to places to places. No, you are in the blockchain, everything is on the blockchain, is up to date. It's Aptos model type of architecture, technology, okay? So, the most important thing about that is, anyway, let me change this story. I want to talk about Zcash a little bit before I go too far onto Vara. I know I'm very passionate about these two blockchains. The reason being because I think they have what the future needs, okay? We need privacy in our transactions. Because right now, currently, look at the current situation. If you send me a mail, okay, the mail, we put it in an envelope because privacy. I don't want what is in my mail to be seen by everybody. Who knows? That goes to your bank account. You don't want everybody viewing your bank account, knowing what it is. And this is what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is like if you go to the bathroom and everybody's seeing you shit. Everybody can see you shit. It's like that plain. Because your transactions are open to everyone. Imagine. Only shameless people will use Bitcoin, if you ask me. Because your transaction is visible, number one. If you send me a Bitcoin, I can see where you spend your Bitcoin, where your Bitcoin came from. If I use those sophisticated analysts, I can know all your activities. All your activities, where you been, where you spend all your money, where your money's come from, how much you get paid, how much every damn thing about you. So that's why they are saying it's a store value, you don't sell it. So that's where it stopped. But money is an energy. It need to move. It need to act. It need to do stuff. You can't just keep it in one place saying that it's useful. Then it's useless. Okay? That's my opinion, okay? Let's jump back to, actually, let me finish. Zcash have a privacy protocol that even quantum computers cannot, destroy that encryption, okay? It have what we call zero knowledge proof. Before in the beginning, because they started applying that technology first, ever. Now you can see these ZK EVMs, ZK Verify, ZK that and that, ZK that. Guess who pioneered this technology? I don't say they invented. It was already written by Salvio Macaio, the Algorand creator. He's the one who get the Turing Award for it because he wrote it. But it never been practical. It was just theory. He did the math and all that, but nobody ever used it. So Zcash came and used it because it's a crypto or a blockchain technology. They use it in their blockchain technology, where if you send me Zcash and you seal everything, you use zero knowledge proof, you are only allowing me to see what you want me to see. Okay? You are only allowing me to see what you want me to see. And that's where it stopped. Okay? And only you can see what was sent to you. Okay? So that's an advantage. But not only that, on the Zcash protocol, we can do that private transaction. Nobody can see it on the blockchain except me and you. Plus, also, if I want, you don't see who sent it to you if I want. But you can see that a money is sent to you if I want. But also, I can unseal it. You can see, we can make it transparent like Bitcoin. We can transact like everybody can see, our activity on the chain, on the public blockchain. We can do that as well. So it's up to you. This is why I like choices, options. But these other blockchain don't have that in their architecture. They don't have that in their system. So even in the present internet, it's not like that. So I don't know what they're doing. Whatever. People are just FOMOing into it. many of the people don't really understand it that much. So for now, it is this way, okay? But I'm talking about the future, okay? This channel is talking about the future. These guys are already doing it. I remember when Ethereum was like, I would say on Robinhood, it was like sometimes $200 and something. Dogecoin was 0.000 something. When I don't understand it at that time, I don't know what that technology was. Like, man, this thing. And I was a first player in Robinhood buying them. I don't understand them. But I put $100 on Dogecoin. I put some money on Ethereum. It wasn't big deal to me. Over time, it blew to a point I'm like, God, had I known, I will put thousands of dollars in this. Because my $100 that I put in Dogecoin went up to $80,000. At that time, I don't know. My little money in Ethereum that I put in there own about 20-something Ethereum. This thing mass up as well. I had to sell it. But I did not understand it. Then I started making my research. I'm like, man, how could this thing, I could have been a millionaire if I would have just put it in $3,000. This thing would have hit 3 million. Millions. Because I put only $100 on Dogecoin, it just grows that crazy. It made me a beggar. But I sold. If I would have kept it till today, it would have been different. And if I could have add more at that time, it would have been different. I would have been in private jets right now, flying from US to Africa. But there is another opportunity, guys. There is another bigger than that opportunity. Bigger than that opportunity. And that's why I'm coming out to my people. Whoever subscribes to this channel, it's called Percentage 64. Okay? And Percentage 64, what we do is Percentage 64 crypto assets. What we look for assets, real crypto assets. And I believe Vara, VARA network is a crypto asset. Okay? Because it have the technology that surpass everyone. Sui, because Sui is one of my, in my top list of superior technology. Solana also, regardless of its sometimes network going down, it's still in my list of best technology, because you look at everything, network effect and interrupt I could not pronounce this, but excuse me on that. Interrupt with other blockchain. Okay, interrupt with other blockchain. You guys know what I'm trying to pronounce, but my tongue is not like that. Anyway, this Solana have that. Solana is like a singular blockchain, but it can also be connected with other blockchain, because it have a modern programming language that is very that can sync with other language, because it's very broad. All right, because they use Rust. So for that, Solana is also part of it. The assets I'm talking about, Solana. So Percentage 64 crypto assets, what we do is we look for, we keep assets, but we also look for gems. And right now, Vara network, Vara is built on top of a different protocol, okay? And the protocol, because let me explain this thing, that way some people can understand, because it can be sometimes confusing. Vara is a standalone layer 1 and is built on a unique protocol called Gia protocol. It's like a new cloud architecture. It's a new cloud architecture that is built to enable other builders to come and build on this amazing hardware architecture that is going to revolutionize the whole blockchain space, because they make it in a way that, you know, the blockchain is not clunky, because this is what we are having right now. We are building this in a way that is just transactional. Put smart contracts into it like Ethereum, then it get limited. You know, all that stuff. Now, the Gia protocol took its time and created architecture where you can build a substrate, where you can build a blockchain in a very quick and simple way, and it will have a very heavy computation capability, and it's gonna be quick, fast, and all that. This is what we don't have before. Then they come with Vara, in a sense that Vara will enable that growth. What Vara does is lead you the way. Vara is like the angel in the architecture. Vara is like a landlord in the architecture, I will say. That's the best. It's like a landlord. When you come in, I show you where everything is. And then you build your own, you know, your own compound. Oh, I will say Alcalo. Okay? He's like the Alcalo of the, I think I'm in Africa, so instead of mayor of a city, or councillor, he's like a councillor, not even a councillor, a head of a district, I would say, like a head of a district, because these are villages. A village, Alcalo head the village. A head of a district, it's like a head of a district, so it's like a village, okay? So it's like a head of a village, a district, okay? Vara is like a head of a district there. So if you come with, you know, your idea and what you want to do, so what Vara does is, okay, tell you, this is the idea, and okay, we see what you're trying to do. Now, these are the tools you can do to make that happen, okay? To make what you want to make happen. These are the tools and everything. It's just compilers, because the codes are already debugged. All you got is compilations. It's like if you build in the house, okay? I'm gonna go with Africa. That's how I know how houses are built in Africa. I live in Seattle, Washington, and I've been living here for over 20 years now. Okay, but it's like building a house. Vara is like it's like building a house. What the protocol does, Gia protocol create. They already, it's like, you know, when you're building a house in Africa, you have to buy cement, right? And you buy the cement, you mix this cement with sand, a special sand we got from the by the ozone. You mix them, and once everything is mixed up, then you make bricks out of that. And once you make your bricks, you have to let them dry, and you have to water them so that they can get water soak and get farm strong, you know, all that stuff. And after that, you know, you have to move them to a specific location so that, you know, to actually, let me stop there. When you do that, when you water them, they get dry. You build your foundation, you know, you dig a foundation that you want to, you map it out, you know, get your foundation out and all that ready. And this is your specification all on the foundation. And now you get your bricks and, you know, start concreting your foundation and start laying your bricks to get the house up, right? Okay. All that is all that is done for you in the GIA protocol. The mixing of the cement, creating the bricks. They even dig some foundation for, whatever, about 30 type of, things that you can, if this is what you want to do, this is where you can go get that already. It's like they already have the framework for any kind of stuff that you can get. Like you want to build if you want to build like let's say 2-story, okay? They already have a compilers that can enable that. You don't have to work too hard on that. Those are already there. So the same thing, like just my analogy, you build the foundation and already everything, a foundation is built, or maybe you don't even know, but the bricks are already there. All you need to do is just build your foundation, do your concrete, do your foundation, and then lay your bricks, build your house. Okay, everything is there. You don't need to go any other place like the other blockchains. You have to go other place to get compiled, to get toolings, to get stuff to build your stuff. In GIA protocol or Vara, in Vara, no need to that. Even your data is stored on chain. You don't need to go any other chain to do it. Even your data is stored on chain. Your data is stored on chain because of the actor model. This is the future, guys. This is the future. They are saving you time to build your DApp, decentralized application. They are giving you, you are saving money, time, energy, not knowing how, the learning curve, all that. Even a new person who never built a program before can come and learn because they have that, they call it the Vara Academy. You can go there and learn. These are the future. These are the future. Okay? There is so much that they are doing that, man, you should see their games. I like how powerful the games are and how unique they look and how futuristic, sophisticated. Huh? You think you see Swiss game or Solana game and you are impressed? Come see Vara game and then you go crazy. So Vara is the future, guys, and the market cap is less than 12 million, about 11.6 right now. When I was buying it, it was 11. Now it's going to 6, but still now it's very low. It might go down even more. And keep scooping. You know why I like Sisi philosophy? When CZ, the former Binance CEO and the founder, CZ, here's what's amazing about CZ. When he was done, because he was he's a developer or programmer, and he worked with a lot of these exchanges, like the Japan exchange, their trading platform, and Singapore trading platform. He worked in a lot of trading platforms, so he understands how trading platforms are. He understands how financial work. So he was with his friend one time in China, and one of his friends told him that, man, there's this new thing, that time, Bitcoin. Told him, it's pretty unique. I mean, it's very risky. You can lose all your money if you put into it, but just put 1% of your money in it. But if it goes, it can also go up, and it can be, like we said, parabolic. It can make a huge deal. And Sisi looked into it. Sisi took the first advice and let the other advice go. He went all in. He didn't go 1%. He go 100%. He sold his house for 1 million and put 1 million in Bitcoin right away because he was even scared that this thing gonna go up before I buy it. He's just struggling. He even tried to sell his house as fast as he could. Maybe less price than he could have sold it if he just wait for a little longer. Okay? So he sold his house quickly and just jumped into Bitcoin. But then when he bought it, Bitcoin went down 70% from where he bought it. He lose 70% of, I will say he will lose 700,000 if he spent 1 million in there. But this guy was not, he was already conviction. He's already convinced that this is the future, man. People don't know. He doubled down. Today, he's the richest person in crypto. The richest person in crypto. The richest person in crypto. If you have a conviction about the crypto, you know technology, you know what you're talking about, jump in. So, in this channel is not financial advice though, but it's financial empowerment. It's not financial advice. It's financial empowerment. All these things can go down. Just like Sisi's story, the point I'm making, it could have go down, but it could have be this. But he's convinced because he know technology and he know finance. And let me tell you guys, I have been in crypto since 2014. Since 2011 in crypto. I have been in crypto since 2011. Okay? And at that time, like I said, it was nothing. Had I known, I would have just doubled down on Robinhood. Because that was my account. I started telling my friends about Robinhood. I was the one that let most people know Robinhood. But I was also told Robinhood by my best friend, to be frank. I gotta give him that prompt. Adolf. I call him Hitler. He's from Rwanda, man. Man, one of the best person I have ever known, man. That guy is just, respect. Yeah, man. Only him and me know. Respect. Anyway, this channel, percentage 64 crypto assets. Percentage 64 crypto assets is very, very knowledgeable about crypto. And crypto, the game is changing. Right now, what is buzzing is called the Zcash snag. Everybody is changing into zero knowledge proof. I have been in zero knowledge proof from the start. When I saw Zcash and see all these other chains, payment networks, only Zcash makes sense to me at that time because all these ones don't have privacy, and plus they have a technology that I like that is actually useful because you can communicate. Like I can send you a text on the blockchain with their wallet. Like we can communicate like WhatsApp. I can text you, you can text me, and all that stuff. And it's encrypted. Nobody can see that except me and you, and it's on the public blockchain. Only me and you. Nobody can crack that. Only me and you. If you don't show it to anybody, they will never see it. It's not on the public internet. That's a good use case for me because I like to communicate. I have to have my private. Who want to be communicating? Everybody's hearing what you're saying. I like that privacy. Sometimes I don't have to, It doesn't have to be open communication, right? So Zcash have that in their wallet as we speak. It's not futuristic right now. They have it. You can communicate. You can even, write a letter to somebody and just send it within their apps, and it's on the blockchain. It's immutable. Nobody can erase that forever. 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 Okay? And their transactions use zero knowledge proof to seal all your data. Okay? That's amazing. And everything is on chain. And their protocol is just been upgraded to Rust. They moved from Bitcoin, old legacy code. Now they have a new code, new protocol called Zebra. You can do seal assets in Zebra. You can use application on Zebra. The testnet NU7 is already on, it's up and alive. So, this is what I'm saying. You got to know, you got to know, you got to know. You have to know, you have to know, you have to know. Okay? Please, like this, share, subscribe. That way, anytime I come with a gem, I tell you, you can be part of this channel and make money with me. Okay? Because Vara is just a start. Like I said, even on the Vara network, things gonna start coming up there, man. Because the Geo protocol, I'm telling you, is a cloud architecture. It's a platform for anybody to come and create some amazing applications that are just interruptible with other substrate chain, and is updatable, is secure, and you can put your coins. Man, there's so much that I can tell you guys. I was once a big time Polkadot supporter, to be frank, but I back out for a simple fact that they changed their tokenomics. When that was, because I was a force when Polkadot wasn't this big. And when they did that, that's why everybody run away from. Look at Polkadot today, man. Even Sui surpassed Polkadot. Okay? That's because of that. And what Polkadot does now is just a connector. Just connecting blockchains. Can't even build application on you. You're just connecting blockchains. Just connecting. It have amazing technology, no doubt. But use case. Will I need Polkadot, myself here? No. I will never use Polkadot. Maybe I can play games on the parachains, like I said, that are built on Polkadot. But they are not Polkadot. They are not even built on Polkadot. They are connected to Polkadot. It's a connector, okay? So, because of that, sorry, my battery just kind of blinked. So, because of that, I left Polkadot, okay? But, opportunity again. Vara, guys. Vara, Zcash, don't let these guys go. Please, subscribe, like, hit this notification button so that anytime I come with a new gem, you guys are not left out, because I'm coming with gems that have a small market cap. Put small money into it and just chill, wait, let time make it happen. Okay? Because if you have a great technology, it will soar over time. And we are seeing this with Ethereum. Now people are leaving Ethereum. Today I even read it a news. Metal, the metal game, they call it, forgot, metal game, whatever something. They are big game application on Ethereum that people play, enjoy. Like now they are migrating to Solana. They are leaving Ethereum completely because of the clunkiness. Okay? Solana also have a problem. The network keep falling, going off. Basically, you can't access it. Okay, and that's a problem. But Vara, man, think about it. They have a cloud platform, and Vara is like a Alcalo in there. So everybody that come, Vara show you the way, because Vara have the sets of tool. You need Vara to run there. Vara is like he's gonna give you the papers. You're gonna need Vara tokens to stake, to work on your project, just like how it is on Polkadot. That's why I feel like Vara is like the what Polkadot would like to be, but then they took a different path to be a connector instead of being a platform or a protocol where people can build, or a smart contract platform. Okay, so Vara is that. It's the new Polkadot, if you wanna describe it. Okay, because 100% similar, but technology-wise and application-wise, Vara is superior, no doubt, and no argument. It's on Polkadot, you can build smart contract on it. It's just a connector. All right, guys, please make sure to subscribe, man. That way I can come with gems for you. Yeah, man. Lovely, always lovely to be giving my opinion or my insight in the crypto arena on my channel, to let people know what's going on and what are the potential opportunities there. So subscribe. I can't say that enough. Subscribe. That way, anytime I come with something new, you'll be the first to know, man. Let's go.